Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the AI voice and environment you'll use. Choose neural models for naturalness. Once done, obtain an API key or install a local runtime. Prepare your text now and convert special formatting into SSML when you need precise pauses and emphasis. Make sure sample rate is 16 kHz or higher for clarity. Next, create a short test script, one sentence with a pause and an emphasized word, so you can verify voice tone and latency immediately. Now you tune voice parameters and set up batch workflows. Start by adjusting rate, pitch, and volume. Use rate equals 0, 95 for slightly slower speech, then test variations. Incorporate SSML for emphasis, breaths, and punctuation-driven pauses. Make small incremental changes and rerun samples. Once satisfied, configure batch processing. Queue your text files, parallelize API calls or local jobs, and add retry logic. Monitor token use and latency, and profile performance so you can scale without audio glitches. Finish by exporting and integrating the audio into your app or content pipeline. Choose MP3 for streaming or WAV for editing. Set bitrate and sample rate to match your delivery. Then embed audio tracks, sync captions, and preview end-to-end. If you automate deployment, add logging for audio ID and duration. If something goes wrong, first check sample rate and model selection. If audio sounds robotic, switch to a higher quality neural model and slightly lower the speech rate, then reprocess the file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.